Josephs are always dreamers. Old Testament, Joseph used to see dreams, and he's a dreamer. Here comes the New Testament Joseph. He also sees dreams, and he's a beautiful dreamer. Though he's a carpenter, and it's a trade, skill, which one needs creativity, that aesthetic side of your mind. So he used to dream, to choose a beautiful girl like Mary to be his spouse. It's a beautiful dream that Joseph had. But then his dream was smashed, crushed, torn into pieces with a dream. You think about a packed item. So your dream is like this pack, this case, this bag. All what you want is this dream. But then God's dream, if you want to experience the real meaning of it, you have to break open it. By breaking it, you will get the real use of it. So God breaks your dream to fulfill His dream. What is our dream, my dear friends? I mean, it's just a pack, just a wrapping paper which wraps the gift, that's just a box which holds the gift. It has to be it has to be broken, torn, but then it causes pain. But then when Joseph had to forego that dream, when that dream was crushed, God's dream was fulfilled in his life. A Messiah was born through that brokenness. But then the way he dealt with that pain is beautiful. The way he dealt with this. And he never took an hasty decision to react Mary. Of course, normally the way people react is terrible, isn't it? When you find your girlfriend is pregnant, and it's a terrible thing to bear. He could have just reacted. But then the beauty of this person, Joseph, is this. So, the beauty is where he finds Joseph never take a hasty decision. The gospel says, but before they lived together, she was found to be pregnant through the Holy Spirit. Then Joseph, her husband, made a plan to divorce herself in secrecy. I mean, it's not divorce. To leave her secretly. To leaving the person you're married secretly. Because after the betrothal, they normally wait for about 1 year to have the wedding proper. After that only they live together. So Mary is pregnant before they live together. So that secretly, if the man is going away, that allegation will fall on that man, not the woman. And it's a bad name for the man. And Joseph was a righteous man. He never wanted to hurt Mary. So the beauty in this person, he never wanted to hurt her. He loved her, and he loved her anyway. But then in our brokenness, in our pain, there is this self-projection where you project the pain to another person. There won't be any Christmas. There won't be any promise fulfilled if you throw the pain to another person. If you inflict pain on the other person. And then, without taking a hasty decision, he was thinking about it. And then angel appeared in his dream and revealed the God's plan. And he said, don't be scared, don't be afraid to marry Mary. My dear friends, you don't have to be scared when the wrapping paper and the box is broken. There's a promise waiting. So you can't enjoy it until your dream is broken. So here comes the invitation. Wait upon your pain. Deal with your pain with Him. And hope in your pain. Don't inflict pain on the other person. Wait, and God will reveal His dream to you, and His dream will be fulfilled in your broken pain, my dear friends. Think about it and have a nice day. May God bless you.